Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two very different dishwashers, the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches built-in dishwasher and the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher. Whether you're looking for a powerful built-in unit for a large family or a compact solution for a small space, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details and see how these two models stack up against each other. The BLACK+DECKER 24 inches built-in dishwasher boasts a substantial capacity of 12 place settings, making it ideal for larger families or those who entertain frequently. In contrast, the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is designed for compact living spaces, accommodating only 4 place settings. This significant difference in capacity is a crucial factor to consider based on your household size and dishwashing needs. When it comes to portability, the BLACK+DECKER model requires permanent installation, making it a fixture in your kitchen. On the other hand, the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is incredibly versatile, featuring a built-in water tank that allows it to be placed anywhere without the need for plumbing. This makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, or RVs, where space is at a premium. Price is another key factor in this comparison. The BLACK+DECKER 24 inches built-in dishwasher comes with a higher price tag of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and robust features. In contrast, the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is priced at a more budget-friendly $269, making it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable and efficient dishwashing solution without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER 24 inches built-in dishwasher and the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you have the space and require a high-capacity dishwasher, the BLACK+DECKER is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a compact portable solution, the Silonn offers great features at a lower price point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.